Good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome to all present here. I am Megha, the host for today's session from SEMS Welfare Foundation. The session today is on the topic AI, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is one of the fastest growing fields in today's world, impacting industries, jobs, and the way we live. It plays crucial role in shaping career opportunities, driving innovation, and destroying the gap between students and industries. Today's discussion will highlight its importance in opening new doors for the future. Before we begin, let me take a moment to introduce SEMS. We are committed to building capacities and empowering individuals through awareness, training, and opportunities. Today's session is being held in collaboration with DG Samaksh. It is my privilege to introduce our distinguished speaker, Mr. Shubham Raj, founder and CEO of Zebber and the Startup Club India, a TEDx speaker and the leader who has mentored numerous startups and impacted thousands of learners through education. Now, without any further delay, I'd like to handle the session over to Shubham sir. Thank you.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, yes, yeah.
Yeah, so thank you very much for the warm welcome. So I think we can start with the session. So AI is one of the most talkative और I would say एक बहुत trendy चीज है आज के डेट में and most of the people around you used to talk about AI. Will AI replace your job? What will the impact of AI in the near future? So these types of talk you guys must have like sense around you. So and you guys also think about this like and many people have some like have questions and fear around this because like I have got lots of question around me that will AI replace us or what we can do to excel in this or like there are lots of questions around us related to AI. And believe me, the questions are really genuine because when the first time the world see the computers, there were also similar questions related to this because it's not about like it's AI, it's just about the human evolution and we fear of the change. We like there are people, few people welcome the change and few people fear from the change and few people try to adapt with that change. So by the end of this session, you will get a good answer related to all your questions, and I will try my best to solve all your questions through this presentation. And the like, let's move forward to the session. So yeah, I start the presentation with this very 8-second video that gives you a glimpse of the future. Yeah, so this is an a this I hope you all guys have seen this video. It's a very short video. It's an 8-second video, but this video is not just a random video on the internet. It's made by me myself using an AI and to showcase the impact of an AI. So it's an irony in itself. So so the near future will be a very like visually. For example, this girl in this video is visualizing the house of her like through this image imagination in the front of his eyes and same way that old person in the video was talking with an robot. So AI will do something exactly same in the near future. So let's start with the second slide. Okay. So there's a thing called we is you guys must like read somewhere that to understand or excel the future you need to understand the past. So let's start questioning and finding out the answer from where the AI comes from and where it is right now. So first let's talk about what is an AI. An AI is something which learn, reason, it's ask questions and make decisions just and try to mimic the human intelligence. It's trying to mimic, not the human intelligence. Okay, so this is what AI is. It's just a machine. So before like when computers are made from very beginning, the computers are made like this that the computer should only focus on solving the problem or by the codes the it's get inputted like if I explain you in the way that कि for example जो पहले जितने भी हमारे machines होते थे उनमें ये ऐसा होता था that they are made for to do a specific task. They are that's called the algorithm. उसमें एक ऐसी particular algorithm हम लिखते थे that कि आपको for example fan is also a machine, your washing machine or it's like a refrigerator, everything like most of the things around you is a machine. And वो उसमें आपके फैन में अभी कोई एआई मोस्ट लाइकली यूज नहीं हो रहा होगा until unless you are a very advanced person. So all these machines are made in a way that they are made that to follow a specific instruction. But what AI will do, AI is use its own intelligence which was also fed by the humans to do the task more efficiently and take right decisions at the right time by using lots of data. So this is what an AI is. I guess I am able to explain you a like a very general thing. So AI is just like the normal machines is just like a person जो कि commands पे काम कर रहा है, and the AI is a person who is smart enough in its own that it's not just following the commands, it also following the right thing which he thinks that if इस पर्टिकुलर चीज को इस वे में भी अगर हम करें तो इट विल बी अ वेरी गुड थिंग. सो दिस इज व्हाट एआई विल डू. इट्स ट्राई टू मिमिक ह्यूमन इंटेलिजेंस. अगर मैं आपको कोई पर्टिकुलर टास्क करने के लिए बोलूँ तो मुझे मुझे आपको इतना चीज़ समझाना नहीं पड़ेगा. इफ़ आई टेल यू टू ब्रिंग द दैट पर्टिकुलर वाटर बॉटल टू मी, तो आप मुझे समझाना नहीं पड़ेगा कि आपको उसको कहाँ से लेके आना है. बट एक मशीन को यू नीड टू फीड द इंफॉर्मेशन कि यू हैव टू गो फ्रॉम दिस place A to B to pick that water bottle and comes back to this. This is what machine and AI will do the work like you do. He understand the whole location कि हमें A to B जाना है, B to A वापस आना है. ये चीज़ AI डिफरेंट करता है. तो 1950s एलन ट्यूरिंग ने सबसे पहले एक क्वेश्चन पूछा, can machine think? This is a very interesting thing because like before 1950s we only used machines, and even in 1950s as well. But that the thing is that Alan Turing first asked this question. He works as a stepping stone to this AI world where he asked, can AI also thinks? Because abhi tak before 1950s AI works only like a specific coded information. जितना बोला है उतना ही करेगा, not more than that. बट वहाँ पे जो जब से जैसे ही क्वेश्चन आया क्या एआई सोच सकता है, वहाँ से इट टेक्स अराउंड 50 years, अराउंड इन 2000s यू कैन से देन आईबीएम ने फर्स्ट टाइम लॉन्च किया था एक ऐसा एक चेस यू कैन से एल्गोरिदम और एन एआई दैट्स डिफीटेड द वर्ल्ड chess champion of that time. And so I hope you most of the guys here have you guys have played chess, right? So chess is made by you need to think a lot when you are playing a chess game, and even when you are playing with a like world champion. So when AI defeated that world champions, तब बहुत ज़्यादा मार्केट में देर वॉज अ टॉक अबाउट दैट लाइक आई बी एम हैव मेड समथिंग which is going crazy and defeating that world champions. So there you can say that IBM ने first time एक AI को introduce किया which not just only coded platform, because if AI it was just coded, so वो specifically task ही करता, एक repeated task that उसे ये move चलना है, ये move चलना है, उसके बाद one after that move, after this move will happen. तो AI but due to the introduction of AI in that particular algorithm, the algorithm thinks that if जो सामने जो वर्ल्ड चैंपियन है उसने ये मूव लिया तो मुझे कौन सा राइट मूव लेना है. तो दिस वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन अ वर्ल्ड सी द पावर ऑफ एआई. Then it takes around 10,000. So you can, if you can see the time gap as well. So first, like after that question, can AI think? It takes around 50 years to like for this change of like world to see the first AI. उसपे 50 years लगे. But after 10 years, the like the breakthrough happens through when smartphones having voice assistants like Google and recommendation systems. For example, Netflix was in very active in world 2010s. So it uses the algorithm, the music apps and food apps using the algorithm to recommend the best food based on your behavior, your choices, or recommend you the best music, movies, and all. The world see like how AI is working in their day-to-day life in 2010 for the very first time. Then after this, in 2000, after 2010, now we are in the 2025. It's around like 15 years, right? जहाँ पे we now AI can do self-driving. Now AI can diagnose like problems, and AI is solving the problems. So this is, if you go with the timeline 50 years, then after it takes around 10 years, and like उसके बाद चीज़ें और fast हुई थी ना. I am just telling about the current future, but in 2020s and even 2080s 18th में, because of the world is fast, is like evolving very fast, that ये टाइम गैप अब विद द टाइम धीरे धीरे कम होता ही जा रहा है, बिकॉज वॉइस असिस्टेंट आर trained enough to think a lot, because they have lots of data right now. So AI is trained based on the data. Okay, so now we have a lot of data to train things and to make the AI more capable enough. And now the next thing will be most probably come in next 3 to 5 years, which will be the AGI. AGI is a very big thing. It will be the, if anyone of you have seen like a Marvel fan, or of a seen Hollywood movie Iron Man, so there's an AI of Iron Man which name is Jarvis. So it was that AI AGI who can not just follow your instruction, but he also do what he wants to do, and he's like just like your assistant, but a very smart assistant. So the whole world, whole AI companies are focusing only on that AGI. Yeah, next. So yeah, like real stories and real impact of AI. So yeah, right now what AI is capable enough to do is like it saves your time, it helps in your creativity. So there's an like people used to think before introduction of AI that the most creative works will never go fade away or gone away from the market, but somehow AI destroyed them first. Like AI are making a very good painting nowadays. If you have tried or like ever used the AI on that level, so AI is a very good painter, AI is a very good designer. So yeah, he's very proficient and skilled enough to do these things. So yeah, like AI is a creative in itself, but yeah, AI is also made by humans. So I'm not saying that you cannot be more creative than an AI, but the thing is that yeah, you should थिंक लाइक मतलब पहले लोग ऐसा सोचते थे कि लाइक अगर आप अपने फील्ड में बहुत प्रोफेशनल हो तो AI विल नॉट रिप्लेस यू, बट इन सम ऑफ द एरियाज AI इज वेरी मच क्रिएटिव इनफ दैट ह्यूमंस भी शायद उस लेवल का पेंटिंग या आर्ट फॉर्म बना पाएंगे या नहीं बना पाएंगे, बिकॉज AI वर्क्स लाइक इट्स बहुत सारे आर्ट फॉर्म को इट यूज टू एनालाइज, एंड देन it gives you a best result. So yeah, because he's fast, efficient more than a humans. But yeah, there are a few areas which we will discuss in further slides that where AI is still lagging. So as I said before, like it discovers a pattern in data that human misses. हाँ, तो हम जैसे बचपन में if you remember that हमें patterns दिए जाते थे, हमें चीज़ें दी जाती थी to solve, और like maths का भी वही फंडा है. But AI is very good in this things, like a pattern recognition, that if there's an artist Leonardo DiCaprio, or it's like Picasso, or like they're different peoples, and how they are making their art, then it makes of its own new art form. So this things is very hard for a human to do. Yeah, human can do this, I'm not saying not or not, but it takes a lot of time. AI is doing it very fast. Okay, then the good thing is also that the expert guidance and knowledge from like if past 10 years अगर आप देखो in 2000 around 15 or 16, even in 2020s, we if for getting a good knowledge, or to access a knowledgeable person, it's not easy job. Yeah, like LinkedIn is the medium, but people were not active on that there, so it's very hard to get a right guidance out at that time. But the AI has made it possible to access any information on internet from on your computer, laptop, or mobile screen and gives you the best possible result for your answers. So it is the thing which AI is doing very like बहुत अच्छे से ओके एंड आफ्टर दिस या डिसीजन मेकिंग वाली चीज़ जो मैंने बताई बट देयर आर सम रिस्क इन्वॉल्व इन AI as well which is basically the algorithms and yeah it AI might get biased because it works on algorithm and algorithm is also made by a person. For example, if I am biased with some political party or a opinion, so AI is trained on data. If I trained that AI on which is like I'm giving a 60% data of particular thing if which I am convinced that it is right and but it might be wrong and I'm giving very less data to the AI, so AI will analyze it based on that. So it's also depend upon who is training or who is making that particular AI. So it might AI might get biased. Yeah, all the companies around the world, global companies are trying to reduce this, but yeah, AI might get biased. So उसके बाद if like privacy concerns, yeah, there are privacy concerns. You are sharing your data or photos with AI. It's collecting in their database. It's storing in their database. So yeah, if the companies want it, they can might misuse it. But yeah, as it's written in their policies, they will might not. But still, there is a chances of getting data breach and all. So yeah. Baki, yeah, job displacement, yeah, it will happen in few areas. Like jobs will change totally due to the AI and misinformation, deepfakes. Yeah, it's not going to happen. It is happening. Deepfakes, generated contents, fake contents, fake news. It is spreading worldwide. People are making solution to like trace it or to minimize it, but yeah with the time the AI will enhance its capabilities, these things will might get very very dangerous in the future, that and even videos or like deep fakes will be made, and it is not a very good thing. Like it is one of the very I would say a sad reality of AI, that if AI will get its to its like most capabilities और बहुत जितना ही एडवांस होता जाएगा AI, ये डीप फेक्स एंड जनरेट कंटेंट और फेक न्यूज़ विल बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ेगा मार्केट में, विच इज़ नॉट अ गुड थिंग टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक. सो या राइट नाउ AI इज़ लाइक इफ अ रूरल डॉक्टर अगर उसे कोई डिजीज को डायग्नोस करना है तो 95% ऑफ एक्यूरेसी, ऐसे ऐसे AI आ गए हैं जो कि शायद कुछ कुछ बीमारियां इफ़ यू आर नॉट, जैसे इन रूरल एरिया द मोस्टली डॉक्टर्स आर नॉट that much skilled enough. So उनके लिए अब AI is very much helpful to diagnose the right problem for the based on the description by the customer or the patient. So वो चीज़ें वहाँ पे AI बहुत अच्छे से काम कर रहा है. टीचर्स के लिए आसान हो गया है to use the AI to for the personalized learning and content to the student. तो टीचर्स के लिए भी चीज़ें काफ़ी आसान हो गई हैं because like yeah, every student has its own capability of learning, and it's really hard for a teacher to match everyone capabilities in the class. So वहाँ पे AI teacher can just make a personalized lessons or a planner. It's very much easier with AI if teachers know how to use it. And yeah, for farmers it's also very much helpful if you are a knowledgeable farmer. If you are a not knowledgeable, if you are a farmer, you know how to use technology and or AI, you can do a very good farming, and you can increase the yield of your farmland and increase more profit. So yeah, like AI is impacting every field. You just need to know where you can take the help from AI. So yeah, right now areas where we are seeing the AI, it voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. If you say Google to like generate an image, it will generate an image for you, are very realistic images. If you want, if you have a dress you are wearing and you tell the Google to change it to something else, it will change it can like change your clothes, and like AI is going crazy in terms of video and photo generation. And yeah, assistant are increasing day by day, and soon it will become something, it's moving towards becoming a friend. For example, if I want to I am feeling sick or I want to share something to my friend, instead of that in the very near future people will share it to the AI, and he will give the friend like solutions, suggestions to the people. It is giving that, but it will be more efficient in the coming future. After this, streaming services like Netflix, Spotify, they are using recommendation, song recommendation there. That's why you, if you are using them, you feel like, why this, how he know my mood, or how Spotify knows what kind of song I want, because it's only happen because it has lots of data of yours, and it is training its algorithm based on that. So that's why you are getting the best kind of recommendation. This is one of the best things AI is giving, not like give you the personalized, the best recommendation for songs, movies, food, what you want to eat, or anything. So recommendation system is getting more advanced with the time. And social media feeds, yeah, like if you can imagine, like from how you start your day, it might be if you are just starting your day by reading the emails or scrolling the Instagram. Everywhere is where every AI is using for emails. It might be like filtering the spam, or like inboxes, threads, removing it. All will be done by Google AI for emails. And if you are scrolling the Instagram, the way you click on the Instagram app, the first thing you see is all controlled by AI, because the AI knows what you want to see at a particular time. That's actually AI knows. Even I was talking with a Google developer. He told me, when you most of the people, even I sometimes do that. I used to watch YouTube during when I'm eating something or having my snacks. So the Google knows at what time you are eating or having your dinner, breakfast, or lunch. So Google like gives you long form of content at that particular time, because he knows, like, you might be eating, your hands are indulged in eating, so you might not just like short videos. To Google YouTube recommending you that long form of content. So yeah, this is level of personalization Google, which is, and YouTube, which are like also a same company, so have achieved. So you can understand like where AI is going. Then like if you are using a Google map, it's giving you the best suggestion, faster routes. It also uses an AI. If you are shopping anything, e-commerce, food commerce, anything, AI is there. So AI is all around you. You just have need to know that where you can implement it in your daily life, and how you can optimize your day with by using AI. So there are few areas, like because as I said, like AI is the future, and it is happening around you. You cannot avoid it, because it's a revolution, if you can say. But there was a computer revolution in the past. Now it's an AI revolution, and every field will get some impact through it. Some get positive, some get negative, or some get mild, but it will impact. And so the areas which are emerging due to AI is machine learning engineer, which work is just like training data. As I said, that AI is trained based on the data, and providing the right data and all. It's like training data is not an easy thing. This it needs have lots of mathematical probability, statistics. You have a very great knowledge of that. So all these things, it's a very deep thing. We can have a different session on this, like, if you want. So yeah, training AI is a very like it's a complex as well as, but it's a very high paying job in right now and in the near future as well, because creating that algorithm that people like it, like Spotify, Netflix have, requires a very good knowledgeable person, and a very great skills, a very good like kind of team required to create that. And then data analyst, as I said, like because providing the right kind of data to train the right thing. For example, if you are working in Netflix, you cannot give the data of what the music taste of people to that the movie servicing company. So using giving the right kind of data to the AI is the work of the data scientist, like searching of the extracting insights, taking data from all over the globe to enhance. Like there are lots of work data analysts will do, but it's mostly play and manage with data. So yeah, this is the role of that. AI ethics specialist, this is the very new job coming to the market, which is like, as like, yeah, all the global companies like Google, Netflix, or Facebook, or your Meta and all, yeah, Amazon, all working to create a AI which just disrupt the industry. So they are launching many things. AI generation for AI for website generation, AI for image generation, video generation. But all this required a ethics or some kinds of rules, because it will be used by a small kid to us like from the age of 5 to it, or might be the age of a 2 year old child will might use your AI, because AI is everywhere. So the company's job is to ensure that it is ethical. It's not giving some vulgar content or some content which is not for that particular age audience. So ensuring this, it's required a specialist who is trained enough to know or to identify the gaps, that this is where the AI is lagging. It might create something negative, or it might give some response which do not like the people, like by people, or it harms the mental health of the people. So all these things will be done by the AI as a specialist. AI product manager, using how AI can be used for particular product or thing or a business or a education center or school colleges. It's all done by the AI product managers. Their work is to tell you like where you can implement that particular AI in your particular work. So yeah, this is one of the very interesting field, because that's not required and many coding skills, but it's more about leadership and thinking abilities and all. So yeah, there are lots of jobs coming through AI, prompt engineers and all. So yeah, it's a very interesting thing as well as a scary thing as well. Yeah, but for like if anyone wants to start their career in AI, so start with basic Python, then advance it, NumPy, pandas, and all. There are lots of things you need to. It will take around 1 or 1.5 year to get into these fields, because you have to take the very good knowledge of all. But yeah, there are a need of, for example, there like there's a question many people ask, that why people mostly choose engineering as their career. Because when the computers were coming into the India, with when in economy was globalized in 1991. So there was a sudden increase or need of the Indian engineers to the centers, like companies like Samsung and other companies were coming into India. They need software or hardware engineers in their company. So there was sudden need of the that particular engineers rises. That's why people started doing this. And still in today's days, in 2025, people are still choosing engineering only because of this reason. So same way, the AI engineer's job will be getting a rise in the coming days. You will see this. So yeah, you can use free for free courses, Coursera, edX. Google has a very good AI related courses. As I said, Python, understanding fundamental of statistics, because you in when you are doing anything in AI, you need to tackle with data, and also for that you have the knowledge of statistics and probability. Then building projects, use Kaggle has a provides the data set, and try to contribute in open source AI projects through GitHub and all. Like there are lots of platforms. Create your own chatbot like ChatGPT, or yeah, you can use AI as much as possible, or just try to make something which might be unique as much as possible, and connect with people, join communities and all. And explore the new AIs coming into the market. That's actually very important. Try to go into these meetups or these virtual sessions through and try to know more about AI, because the more you will know, the more aware you will be, and you will be getting a good knowledge about that, and you will be excel in this field. If you want to do, you have the good knowledge about this AI. Then things like how to like deal with the AI, or like how, because AI is something like you are by I and you, we are like I am delivering my like thoughts and knowledge about this to you. So but this is not the way I communicate with AI. AI right now is enhancing itself, its capabilities. So there is particular way to talk to AI. If you will talk in that way, he will give you the best response. हालांकि companies, most of the companies are trying their best to make it that anyone in their own native language can talk with AI, and they are onto that. ऐसा नहीं है that it's not happening. It's almost there, but still it requires lots of enhancement and improvement still. So yeah, like try to give up like what you want to define the goal basically. To if you are like using chat gpt, perplexity, any searching tool, try to give the context, try to give define the particular goal you want to do, creating an image or analyzing the image. Then try to give the more description. If you are if you want your ai to write the paragraph, give them how much words you want, then only he will give you the best result. So using the ai smartly is also a very a thing. If you are able to do this, ai will give you the best response and make your life very much easier. So try to do the things. Points are written here. Like sometimes, yeah, there are things that sometimes ai will give the errors. Like it's not happen generally because AI is accuracy right now. If you're using Google, ChatGPT, Claude, top AIs around the world, their accuracy lies between 90 to 100, 92, 95, 96, but there are still 4% chances. Yeah, it's a very small, but still that AI might get hallucinate. We said the word hallucination. When it give AI get some small errors. So yeah, so just try to do a fact check, or also use your own creativity when you are making something related to AI or any AI product or something. Just you should have your own some creativity in that. Then it get shined or polished or overshine it. So after that, yeah, privacy. Definitely think about the privacy. You are not giving AI your sensitive data or something which might get misused if it get leaked or somewhere. And yeah, just try to collaborate with AI. Use it as an assistant of your own. I know. I hope you all know the work of an assistant. So at the end of the day, you are working, but you are using or like making your work easier with the help of AI for code generation, for image generation, for anything. Or like our like agentic AI is a very new thing. So just use that. If you want to say good morning to a particular person every morning, you can just automate this with the help of AI, and it will send that at a particular time. जैसे आपका अलार्म बजता है, at the same and in the same way that good morning message will be sent to that particular person at the right time. So using AI smartly is also a thing you should learn. So yeah, there are particular powerful AI tools for like brainstorming, coding, learning, writing. So AI ChatGPT is the like all rounder thing. He has lots of capabilities to do like image generation, video generation has something different of it's in OpenAI, but it is having a different branch. It's not directly done by like ChatGPT, but all most of the things will be done by ChatGPT. It's an all-rounder AI. Then it's come Mid Journey or Delhi 3. It's very good for like image generation from your text. If you want to imagine something, you just need to give the best text. Now the smart person, what will the smart person do if he wants to generate an image of a boy playing football? So he will go to instead of going directly with the image generation tool and just writing the I want generate a boy playing football. He will go to ChatGPT and said, give me a prompt to for an image generation through AI for a boy playing with football. ChatGPT will give you a very descriptive and a detailed prompt, which you will be pasted into the Delhi or the Mid Journey, and you will get a very best result. So here, how this is just by using a small brain of yours, or you are like doing something crazy. So yeah, this is how you should use AI smartly. Then yeah, there is a video generation tool, Descript, Grammarly to fix your grammars when you are writing any essay or a letter or something. So yeah, so Grammarly is for that. Gamma you should use for making the presentation document beautiful, for having some visual elements as well. So Gamma is a very good tool. Perplexity you can use for searching, just like Google you used to search. Perplexity is the advanced version of Google, where you like it's a different company of course, but yeah, it's something in layman language you can say it's an advanced version of Google, where जहाँ पे आपको पहले Google पे you need to search around lots of website for the best result. It will give you the summarized best result of all the website, but or related to that particular thing you have asked for. So yeah, for the research purpose, Perplexity is very good. Then personalize everything. Yeah. So like what next for 5 to 10 years, what will AI how will AI impact? Let's sum up quickly that very soon the AI will be more personalized. Personalized, say I mean that in if as a learning, I tell later that teachers can now send a personalized solution to the student based on their learning capabilities. Some are slow learners, some are fast learners, some are mediocre. So based on their capabilities, teachers can send their particular module to the student based on their learning abilities. Then healthcare, we can AI might have the data of all your health past health records, your genetic records. Then it will recommend you the best solution or the problems you might get face in the future. And genetic disease and all, AI will predict that and give you the best solution medicines to cure that. Then entertainment industries, it is already doing this, giving you the most personalized and the best result or recommendations based on your moods. Then self-driving cars will be very much it's happening in America and the foreign countries, but very soon you will see, around 4 to 5 years you will see in India self-driving cars and all is very will be very much common. Drones delivery will be very much common very soon. Then smart homes, like if I want to switch off this light in my room, I need to go or call someone to switch it off. But very soon, uh, the house will be also get automated, that just by the telling that switch off the light, it will get switch off. It is possible right now as well, but yeah, it will be more easier accessible in the near future. Then yeah, global problems like climate change, disasters will be easily predicted because AI has lots of data or and the past history. So it's trained on that, and it is able to think more faster than a human. So doing all these things will be more faster, so that we can take the right action at the right time to secure people or like to save our mother earth. Then like the challenges might we can face, as I said, the job evolution, every sector will somehow get some enhancement or the innovation. Every field there will be some impact of AI you will see. It might be mild in few areas, it might be very much in few areas, but it will. A lot Indian and foreign government, lots of world governments are making laws for AI. As I said, that deepfakes will increase, fake news will increase. So laws are very much important. Then human AI collaborations. For as I said, like you can use AI for automations, automating your replies, or for like WhatsApp replies or email replies, some generic replies, that if someone is telling you hello, you can a personalized reply will send to that particular person. So all these things can be automated right now. So all these things have made it will more become more easier with the time. So this is what will be the future of AI. Then 97 million jobs will be created. These are some statistics based on lots of data analytics, that 97 million jobs will be created with the help of AI, because AI is still evolving. So it will create lots of jobs very soon. That's 100% sure. And then $16 trillion economic impact. I think Indian economy is around 4 trillion, right? If I'm not wrong. But by projected 2030, the AI will economic impact of AI will be $16 trillion. Then 77% of our device users will be increased due to the AI, because yeah, it is it is no point of debate that AI will use lots of things, like lots of devices and technologies to actually required, like lots of GPUs. If you want to train an AI, if you want to make a own chat GPT of your own, you need a very big GPU. It's cost around 33 lakhs or 35 lakhs. So yeah, it's not a easier job to or it's not a easy thing for a common person to make their own AI or to train a AI. Okay. Then the sectors where AI will impact will be technology. Yeah, it's a technology sector will definitely like 92%. Then financial sector 78%, healthcare, retails. You can see that stats here, and education sector will also increase. Not just all these sector, all the automotive industry and all other sector as well will impact by AI. So yeah, so this is some stats I want to share with you so that you guys get to know the real impact from that data, from these all these data. Yeah. Then next, if we can go. So Yeah. So now come to the question which I address in the very beginning of this session. Will AI replace you? So this is a very common question from last 2 years. So I don't think AI will totally replace you, either unless you are working in that particular field which is very prone due to the AI. Like because AI is right now the AI has the capabilities to do the work or like do all the work smartly in a better way, but it still takes your permission or still takes your response before doing it. If I want to generate a photo of particular thing of a boy or a dog, it will generate the photo of a dog or a boy. It not it, will- it now it if I want to club both, it can club me, but I am giving the AI instructions. So but all at the end of the day, AI is listening what I want to convey it. So if you are working somewhere or anywhere, so you can use AI as your assistant, but AI should not become your boss. This is the thing. You are still the boss of that particular AI. It will works on your prompts, your own instructions smartly in a better way. But the thing is that in future things might get different when the AGI will comes in, because AGI is very something very crazy because it knows, it likes a human brain. It has emotions. Right now AI do not have emotions. If someone is crying, so you need to train AI to do the face analysis of someone to know the person is like emotional, or like if someone of your friend is sad, if it's not crying, so you can, but still you are able to understand that your friend is needs you or your friend is sad. But for right now AI, it's very difficult for an AI to understand the things because there's something called human emotions which AI is not trained enough, but companies are trying to make something which can also like understand human emotions, feelings, their words. Because when I will be sad, there will be a depthness or sadness in my voice as well, in my eyes you can see that. So all these things companies are trying to make AI to make a good friend of humans, but still this thing is right now not available in the market. So here AI is still lagging. Yeah, so as I said before, try to collaborate with AI, make it your assistant, make your job more proficient enough with the help of AI. Instead of thinking that it will take your job, become the boss of that AI instead of becoming its own assistant. And over relying of AI is also the thing that might takes your job. For example, if you are a software developer, you need to create a software or a website, and you are creating a whole website with the use of AI, then you will not gain any knowledge of how to create that. So if someone sacks that AI from you, then you are not able to perform the task. So use AI in a smarter way, but at the end of the day, give some human touch of based on your sense of understanding, excellence, and skills. Then you will be able to make a product which is unique, and other will not copy that, because the same other person can use the same AI to create the same thing which you have made. So the difference will be created by you only. So yeah, I hope you get the answer. So last but not the least, how in your daily life you can use the AI. So for, as I said before, for like if you want like lots of people buy newspaper, so instead of that you can just tell the AI to give you the summary of yesterday's news or today's news, morning news. It will summarize the whole. Or in if you will tell, just you need to give the proper instruction. You can just by telling it that like tell me today's news, like headlines, and in I have 1 hour of and I want the detailed analysis of every news. It will give you all that. So this is how you can smartly schedule. If you want to schedule a meet, just tell the AI to schedule a meet with that particular XYZ person. It will schedule it for you. So all this you can all this you can do all these things just with a command. So yeah, just all voice based commands and all. And managing tasks, as I said, like if someone is writing a daily good morning, if you want to write good morning to a person daily, just write the prompt or set the like AI agent to do the thing. And if you want that to sending good morning in a different ways with different emojis, it will also do that thing. It's just you need to know how it will work. Okay, then the productivity and wellness, like for tracking your fitness, your automation emails and all, you can all these things you can automate. You can make your life easier, faster, and efficient with the use of AI. So just try to learn more things related to AI. Your life will be more easier definitely. Then about the in like for tools, if you're a like content creator, if you're a data analyst, you can use the AI for for content creation, for using like to create this all these images are like in the screen you are seeing like created by AI. So this level of things I am using, like, just say I am using this in my presentation. You can use it for in your day-to-day task if you want to. Like lots of people share good morning messages, so you can that template you can made with AI. So lots of things you can do in your day-to-day life. You can also use AI for monetization, for earning a side income. You can create with the AI. Many people have created their full-time income with AI. It's just how you are using the AI for like graphic designing, for for writing a book. You can for like you can use AI for researching. You can use AI. AI is very good researcher. At the same time, AI is also a very good teacher. So and like lots of people are creating a YouTube video reels with the help of AI and learn and earning in like lakhs, crores even. So it's just like you need to know the right AI and how the best use of that particular AI with your own intelligence. Okay, then yeah, the same thing, tutoring, prompting, and all. And then yeah, how to begin your AI journey. So just try to learn or pick one AI and try to use it for a week and like or you can also search for the AIs related to your own job. If you are a teacher, search for the best AI you can use as a teacher. You can ask this thing as well to the AI, that how you can optimize your day-to-day life with the help of AI. It will recommend you the tools like ChatGPT, Grammarly, other things you can do as a teacher. If you are a student, how like if you are reading, learning anything, how you can use the best use of AI. People like us, some of my friends, if they want to like have very less time and they want to they have big documents to read, they just tell the AI to summarize it summarize in few words and they read it. I have seen students doing like they are created their whole chapter into a like story and they are now reading it like from as like Ramayana, Mahabharata, these types of story. You can tell the AI to create characters and tell and show it in form of a story to understand your chapter. Might be a complex chapter of physics, maths. So these things you can use AI in daily day-to-day life just to make your job or all the things around you easier, efficient. Like there's a course on Google Coursera related to AI for everyone. You can definitely check it out. It's a very good course and for learning AI. Yeah, so these are mostly the things I think I have covered. Try to join the Reddit communities, LinkedIn communities related to AI to get the knowledge of what's the new AI coming into the market, because lots of companies are creating new AIs, lots of startups are coming into related to AIs, which only job is to make your daily to day life more easier or to make your job very much easier. So try, instead of getting scared from them, try to collaborate with them and you and make it the best use from that particular AI or artificial intelligence like apps and all. And let's end this with the a very beautiful quote: the best way to predict the future is to invent it. It's a very good quote. And as I said before, the AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here. So just try to be the part of this and increase your efficiency. Thank you for the session, and I'm like open for the questions asked by you guys. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I am asking one question.
Yes, sir.
Nowadays, in YouTube, lot of fake YouTubes are being made. That
Yes, yes.
in the words of Prime Minister or words of Finance Minister, that they have increased their pension to 7,500 plus DA. Lot of videos are coming, and
Right,
people
right.
get confused. Yes, PM is speaking or FM is speaking. It may be a true video. Is there
Hmm.
any regulation to stop all these things? Fake news, fake videos.
Right, sir. It's a very good question, sir. So yeah, in AI we call it the deepfakes. Deepfakes like we people are using it for different purposes to manipulate the stock market, like creating a video of Mukesh Ambani that we are launching this thing or something, like to increase their shares and stocks, or for anything, as you said, the PM,
Yeah.
that fake videos of PM. The government has regulation for this, for stopping the digital false digital content, but still the biggest problem government or other companies or are facing is how to identify these videos. There are few, the videos are not efficient enough that if there is a smart person, he is able to identify it. That is why I tell during the session, try to recheck the information you are seeing right now, because with that time these things will increase, and this will is the area of concern. Yeah, there are companies working for this to identify that this is a fake video, this is a real video. But yeah, the regulation exists, but people are not taking it seriously right now. But yeah, there are solution in the market. Lots of big companies are trying to make, because this is a very serious issue actually. And yeah,
Yeah,
this is,
80% YouTubes are fake. 80%.
yes sir, yeah, lots of
Yeah.
fake contents are, like,
Yeah. Yeah.
even national,
Okay.
in the
Thank you.
national television. Yeah, thank you sir.
Thank
Any other questions from anyone?
Any questions for anyone? Okay, yeah. So thank you so much, sir, for such insightful session. We truly gained many great takeaways regarding importance of AI. The session was truly impactful, and I extend my warm regards to Shubham sir. And heartfelt thanks to everyone who participated today.